सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। मेरा नाम है विपिन पाल सिंह और स्वागत है आप सबका एक बार फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे जिसका नाम है And friends, here I am with all together a new video and a new property option for all you guys. And friends, the property option which we are going to explore today is a 4 BHK floor. No. Not in Gurgaon this time. We are going to New Delhi to explore this property. So I'm going to take you all along with me to Dwarka Sector 11, New Delhi, and where we will be going to explore a 4 BHK floor which I have just talked about. So without wasting any time, let's go and check out that property. Let's go. And friends, I forgot to tell you that the property which we are going to explore in Dwarka Sector 11, New Delhi is very near to Dwarka Sector 11 metro station, and the market, the local market of that place is also footsteps away from the property which we are going to explore today. So let's go and check out that property first. So friends, here we are in Dwarka, New Delhi, and towards my left, I am going to take the left turn from here. सामने आपको मेट्रो ट्रैक दिख ही रहा है एंड मैंने ये लेफ्ट टर्न लिया. एंड लेफ्ट टर्न लेते ही दोस्तों towards my right, you can see Dwarka Sector 11 metro station, and just opposite to that, let me show you. So towards my right, this is Dwarka Sector 11 metro station, and opposite to this is the gated society on my left, in which the plot is situated and which we are going to explore. So this is the gated society, and moving ahead, towards my left, this is the property which we came to explore. So let's explore it now. So friends, this is the property in Dwarka Sector 11 which we came to explore today, and it is a 4 BHK floor. I have already told you, and in this property, this second and third floor is available for sale, whereas first and the fourth floor with roof rights are already sold. So my dear friends, let's go inside and check out the property from inside. And moving further, this being the main entrance to the property, and this will take us to the stealth floor of the property. So friends, this is the stealth floor of the property. As you can see, it is very nicely designed, and over here each flat owner will be getting a parking space of 2 cars on this stealth floor. And apart from this, at the rear end of the stealth floor, these separate underground water tanks are provided for each floor. And towards this side, moving my camera towards my right, this is a cabinet section. This is the section provided over here, under which, behind which, the electrical motor connections, separate electrical motor connections are provided for each and individual floor. So with this brief description about the stealth floor of this property, let's move ahead and check out the lift lobby cum staircase area of this property. This is the door basically provided, the wooden door. As you can see, this is the wooden door provided over here, which is leading us to the lift lobby cum staircase area. And opening this, towards my right, these are the landing doors of the lift installed, and towards my left, this is the staircase which is leading us to the floors which we are about to explore. So let's go upstairs and explore the second floor of this property, which is available for sale. So moving ahead. So friends, we have reached the second floor of this property, and let me tell you, this is the lift landing door installed over here on this second floor, and towards my right, this is the main entrance to the floor. And let me tell you, this is the 7 feet tall wooden door main entrance provided over here, which is very nicely designed. So this being the main entrance, and now moving ahead, let's explore each and every corner of this floor. So friends, this is the floor in Dwarka Sector 11 which we came to explore today, and let me tell you that the type of flooring which is provided over here on this entire floor is of Italian marble, and the fittings which are installed in the washroom, including geyser, is of Jaquar. And over here on this floor, Jaquar fittings, Jaquar geysers, Havells fan and roof lights are provided as a standard treatment by the builder. So friends, with this brief description about the standard treatment provided on this floor, let's start the exploration of this floor from this drawing room area. So friends, this is the drawing room come the dining space area of the floor, and over here the type of flooring which is provided is of Italian marble, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this drawing room come dining space area of the floor. And friends, in this drawing room area, this small pull-out cum cabinet section is provided over here to keep your stuff related to drawing room or living space to be stored under these pull-outs or the cabinet. Let me open these for you. So these are all the pull-outs provided over here. Very nice and smooth in operation, as you can see, and this is the cabinet space provided over here. And opposite to this pull-out cum cabinet section provided in this drawing room area, this is the TV console design provided over here, which is also very nice in appearance and is really graceful, as you can see. So friends, over here, this being the main entrance to the floor, and this is the TV console design provided over here in this drawing room area, and adjacent to this is the kitchen of this floor, which is provided with this very nicely designed glass door entrance. So without wasting any time, let's go and explore the kitchen of this floor. And this is provided with this nice looking sliding door, which is very smooth in operation, as you can see. So friends, this is the kitchen of the floor, and over here the type of flooring which is provided over here is of Italian marble, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this kitchen area. And friends, in this kitchen area, this Havells fans, roof lights, Jaquar instant geyser and Jaquar fittings are provided as a standard treatment by the builder. And as you can see, this is a modular design kitchen of the floor. And in this kitchen area, this UPVC toughened glass with window panel is provided, which is coupled with the wire mesh panel, ensuring natural air to come inside this kitchen area. So with this brief description about the kitchen, let's start exploring the woodwork provided over here in this kitchen area, and starting the exploration of the woodwork from this corner. So over here, my dear friends, so this being the Jaquar instant geyser provided over here in this kitchen area. So these are the storage spaces provided over here in this kitchen area. Moving further, this is the dishwashing area, as you can see, and above this, these are the steel racks provided over here where you can keep your wash utensils. And moving further, this is some more storage space provided over here. Closing this again, moving further, and let me tell you that all the these cupboard panels are provided with soft closing. And this again is that UPVC toughened glass window panel provided over here. Moving further, some more cupboard spaces provided over here. Let's open this, and let's open this as well. So this is the cupboard space provided over here, and over here this is the space which is left for chimney to be installed. And again, some more cupboard space provided over here. Let me open this for you as well. So this is the more cupboard space. Closing this, let's open this, some more space, and over here some more space. Moving further, this is the panel cabinet section provided over here with a hydraulic jack, as you can see. Moving further, some more storage space, as you can see. And this is the microwave and oven section provided over here, as you can see, and it is provided with the storage space on the top, which is provided with these hydraulic jacks, and below these are the pullouts provided over here. So let's open this also, and let me show you that this is the storage space provided over here, and it is provided with soft closing, as you can see. Very nice. So starting the exploration of woodwork provided beneath the slab. From here we have explored this. Let me open this for you as well. So some more pull-out space provided over here with soft closing. Moving further, some more pull-outs. Moving further, some more pull-outs, some more pull-outs. And over here, this is the proper utilization of the corner space in this kitchen area. As you can see, ample amount of space in this kitchen. Going further, closing this, and again some more cabinet space, and over here some more pull-outs. So over here, this section is provided, cutlery section is provided over here. I'm not going to open each and every drawer. Going further, this is some more pull-out space provided over here. As you can see, it can be extended in this manner outside. And now let's pull it back, let's push it back in fact. And now closing this, moving further, this is some more cabinet space provided over here. Let me open this also. This is the pull-out again provided over here. Some more pull-out space provided over here. Moving further, this is the cabinet space, storage space provided over here. So this being the bin section, so this is the bin area provided over here. So my dear friends, with this we have completed the wooden work, basically the storage space provided over here in this kitchen area, and this is the entire kitchen. So this being the microwave and oven section, and over here the space is provided to keep your refrigerator. So with this, my dear friends, we have completed the entire kitchen. And now moving out of this kitchen, the only thing which is left to be explored are the bedrooms. And friends, before starting the exploration of the bedrooms on this floor, let me tell you that the entrance to each room on this floor is provided with this wall cladding work. As you can see, the same is provided over there at kitchen. These are the bedrooms provided, and it is provided with this wall cladding, and same is provided over here at the main entrance. So it is really looking nice. It is really giving a very nice and a very decent look to this floor. So friends, just adjacent to the kitchen, this is the bedroom number 1 of this floor. So let's move inside and start the exploration of the bedrooms from this bedroom. So friends, this is the bedroom number 1 of this floor, and let me tell you that the type of flooring again provided over here is of Italian marble, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this room. And friends, over here in this first bedroom of the floor, let me tell you that this Havells fan along with roof lights are provided as a standard fitment by the builder. And over here, this is the UPVC toughened glass door provided over here, which is coupled with the wire mesh panel, which is leading us to the front side balcony of the floor, which we will explore later. And moving my camera to the left, this is the attached washroom provided to this first bedroom of the floor. So let's quickly explore this attached washroom to the first bedroom of the floor, and let's move inside and explore the attached washroom to the first bedroom. Moving inside, my dear friends, this is the attached washroom to the first bedroom of the floor, and as I've told you, this is provided with this Jacquard geyser, separate wet area, and all Jacquard fittings, as you can see. And over here the space is provided to keep your toiletries, and towards my left, this is the wardrobe space provided over here in this attached washroom to the first bedroom of the floor. And now friends, let's quickly explore the wardrobe space provided over here in this first bedroom of the floor. Let's open all these panels and let me show you how much space is provided behind these panels basically. So friends, this is the wardrobe space provided over here in this attached washroom to the first bedroom of the floor. And with this, my dear friends, I have completed the first bedroom of the floor, and now closing all these panels, let's move outside and explore other bedrooms of the floor. So moving outside, this is the first bedroom which we have just completed, and now coming back to this drawing room cum dining space area, this is the second bedroom of the floor. So let's quickly explore this also. So friends, this is the second bedroom of the floor. Again over here, the type of flooring provided is of Italian marble, which I have already discussed at the start of the exploration of this floor. And this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this second bedroom of the floor. And over here, this again is a UPVC toughened glass door provided over here with the wire mesh panel, which is leading us to the front side balcony. So this front side balcony can be accessed from both these bedrooms. So this front side balcony, we will explore it after exploring the attached washroom to this second bedroom of the floor, which is this one. So let's move inside and explore the attached washroom to the second bedroom. So moving inside, this is the attached washroom to the second bedroom. It is provided with this huge gigantic mirror, and over here this is the separate wet area provided over here, and this is the Jacquard geyser provided, and this is the Havells fan again installed over here. This is the false ceiling. This is the look and feel of this washroom attached to this second bedroom. And over here again, Jacquard fittings are provided. These are the spaces provided over here to keep your toiletries. And again, turning my camera to my right, these are the wardrobe spaces provided over here in the attached washroom to the second bedroom of the floor. So friends, now let's quickly explore the space provided behind these wardrobe panels. So stepping ahead, let's open each of these panels. So friend, this is the wardrobe space provided over here in this attached washroom to the second bedroom of the floor, and I really appreciate the quality of woodwork which is provided on this floor. I must admire this. It is really nice. You can only feel it once you will be here in this property. So this is the attached washroom to the second bedroom of the floor. And now moving out of this attached washroom, let's explore the front side balcony of this floor. So opening this UPVC toughened glass door, let's step into this front side balcony of this property. So friends, this is the front side balcony of the floor, and as I've told you that this balcony can be accessed from both these bedrooms. Bedroom number 1, which we have explored prior to exploring this bedroom number 2. So this front side balcony can be explored from both these bedrooms, and this is the type of flooring provided over here in this front side balcony. And over here in this front side balcony, these are some spaces provided over here, some lockable spaces which are provided over here, which can act as a store space, as you can see, and you can lock it as over here. These locks are also provided. And over to this side, this is again a section provided over here, which again you can lock, and also it is provided with a tap. So that means you can have your washing machine placed over here and you can use this space to wash your clothes. So this being the front side balcony, and this is the outer view from this front side balcony, my dear friends. It is really nice, and because it is very much near to the metro station, Dwarka Sector 11 metro station, the property is high in demand. So with this, my dear friends, I have completed the front side balcony also. And now moving further from this front side balcony, let's move back to this bedroom number 2 and let's explore the other 2 bedrooms which are left on this floor to be explored. So moving ahead, my dear friends, this is the main entrance to the floor, and opposite to this main entrance, this is the common washroom provided over here. This washroom, which we can access from this lobby area, can also be accessed from the 3rd bedroom of the floor from this door. So this is the common washroom come attached washroom to the 3rd bedroom of the floor, which is provided again with this separate wet area, Havells fan, and the geyser provided over here in this washroom is again of Jaquar make, and it is fitted externally. And again over here, this wide mirror is provided. Look how huge this mirror is. And again, the Jaquar fittings are provided over here, and over here the space is provided to keep your toiletries. So this is the look and feel of the attached washroom to the 3rd bedroom, or the common washroom, you can say. So with this, my dear friends, let's step outside, and turning my camera again towards my right, this is the 3rd bedroom which we will be going to explore now. So moving inside. So friends, this is the 3rd bedroom of the floor, and let me tell you that the type of flooring again provided over here is of Italian marble, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this room. And friends, over here in this 3rd bedroom of the floor, this Havells fan and roof lights are provided as a standard fitment by the builder. And towards my right, this is the UPVC toughened glass window, which is coupled with a wire mesh panel is provided over here, which is acting as a source for natural air to come inside this 3rd bedroom of the floor. And again, turning my camera towards my right, these are the wardrobe space provided over here in this 3rd bedroom of the floor, which is provided with these sliding panels. So let's quickly explore the wardrobe space provided over here in this 3rd bedroom of the floor. So let's open this. So this is the wardrobe space provided over here. On one side of the wardrobe provided in this 3rd bedroom, as you can see, and is provided with these sliding panels which are really smooth in operation. So now let's close this and open the other side of the wardrobe. So this is the wardrobe space provided over here. On the other side of this wardrobes provided in the 3rd bedroom of the floor, and just adjacent to it, behind the entrance to this 3rd bedroom, this is the door which is provided, which is leading us to the attached washroom or the common washroom of this floor. So moving inside, this is the washroom which we have just explored before entering this 3rd bedroom of the floor. So no need to explore it anymore. So now, okay, let me show you. This is the common washroom come the attached washroom to the 3rd bedroom. So this is the door which is leading again back to the lobby area. So with this, my dear friends, we have completed the 3rd bedroom, and now is the time to explore the 4th bedroom of the floor. So let's move inside. So friends, this is the 4th bedroom of the floor, which is again provided with this Italian marble flooring, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here in this 4th bedroom of the floor. And again, in this fourth bedroom, this Havells fan along with roof lights are provided as a standard fitment, and these are the wardrobe spaces provided over here in this fourth bedroom of the floor. And again, these wardrobes are provided with these sliding panels. So let's quickly explore the space provided behind these panels. So let's quickly open this. So friends, this is the wardrobe space provided over here in the fourth bedroom on one side of this wardrobe. And now closing this, let's open this side. So let's open this. So this is the wardrobe space provided on the other side of the wardrobe provided in this fourth bedroom of the floor. So my dear friends, this is the wardrobe space provided, and this is the attached washroom to the fourth bedroom of the floor. So let's move inside, step inside and quickly explore the attached washroom to the fourth bedroom of the floor. So my dear friends, this is the attached washroom which is provided with this separate wet area, Jaguar geyser, Havells fan, and again Jaguar fittings, space to keep your toiletries, and this wide mirror provided over here. So with this, my dear friends, I have completed fourth bedroom as well as also shared with you each and individual corner of this floor. So friends, with this I have shared each and individual corner of this floor with all of you, and I hope you like the layout of this floor. And if you like the layout of this floor, please don't forget to hit the like and share button. And friends, it is my humble request that please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because it is really needed from all you guys to support my channel, and for that I need only you to subscribe my channel as well as hit the bell icon, because it will keep you updated with the latest video which I am going to post on the YouTube. And now is the time to disclose the price of this floor. And at the start of video, as I told you that in this property only second and third floor is available for sale, whereas first and the fourth floor with roof lights are already gone. So the price of this floor is 3 crore 25 lakh with slight negotiation, which builder has told me. And to become the owner of any of these floors, means the second and the third floor in this property, you need to contact me, and the number of mine is flashing on the screen. So please don't hesitate and call me immediately, because this is very hot property in Dwarka Sector 11 and is adjacent to Dwarka Sector 11 metro station, and also the market is very near. And if you are aware about Dwarka, all hospitals and schools are in close vicinity, so it is something which is really hot. So it is my request that if you want to become the owner of any of these floors, you need to contact me immediately. So with this, my dear friends, I have been passing signing off for today with a promise to meet you again with altogether a new video and a new property option. So till then, take care of yourself, your family, and stay in good health. Goodbye guys.